feel like this now, okay? When you feel like right now, I am struggling, it is difficult, it is hard, it is disheartening, I am crying my eyes out, I am angry, I am sad. Why can't this work for me too? What is your mechanisms for doing for being in that situation? What do? Do you become angry? Do you run? Do you fight? Do you flight? When you then are fighting, what do you do in the fighting mode? In the fighting mode, you go back in time, you go back to where you were good, you go back to those emotions, you write down those emotions, and you remember those emotions, and then you go away from the charts and you wait for those trading conditions to come back again. They will at some point come back. It might go 100 to 300 pips until you get that, but until you're able to get the market conditions you want, you can't do anything. So how do you become better? You go on that repair button. I hope you guys have a repair button, and you go back in time and you trade on demo. You try to put in entries, you see how it goes, and mostly you should remember, you actually should forget how what this market has been. It's been ranged ever since April, by the way, so it hasn't really gone anywhere. But does it match your trading setup for April? Let's do 1st of April. Does this fit my trading conditions? No, I want to trade here. Okay, so if I then continue a bit forward, does this fit my trading conditions? Now we have a higher high. Well, I wanted to buy a low down here. And then I continue, okay, nothing here. And then price comes all the way down again to where I wanted it to be. Okay, I would love to have bought there. Does it go back up again? Yeah, in the end it did. Somehow at least. Now we went back to stop loss or break even. Okay, I tried. What did I do there? I just went through what I'm supposed to be doing every single time around April. I'm going to buy support, I'm going to wait for the support, and if I don't have that support that day, I am not going to trade. So my theory for April is this one should go higher in April. Well, it started off 4 days earlier. Well, I don't know that ahead, right? But I should be ready for that, right? And then going back to, I don't know, euro for all times and purposes. And I'm just gonna go, I actually don't know where we're at. Okay, replay. There. What's that? First, okay, beginning of October 2020. Okay. I want to be buyer in October. Where is October? That's a new high for me. Okay, I want to buy that pullback there, if that ever happens. There you go. That was my entry. I then was way better. I was 60 pips better entry. Why can't I have the patience of other people talking about all the time? You also have to learn. You also have to learn it. You also have to be taught one or the other way. I've also not been patient. I've also not been this clear in my strategy. Why? Because I fought. Because I never gave up. Because I tried to go through markets that wasn't really favorable to me. What do I do then? I should not be trading, but I was trading, but I shouldn't be trading. Well, now it's hindsight and all those things, but that's why you go back on replay, because that's not hindsight anymore. And then you just easily just put entries where you are supposed to do. And then you program your brain to do what you are supposed to be doing. And in the end, if it takes you 1 year of doing the same thing every single day, if your job every day is to make coffee, at some point, you're going to make the best coffee in the world.